What's up, everybody? Welcome to Pete's Place. I'm Pete. Today we are going to be unboxing this RBG CPU cooling fan that I got off eBay. I had bought one prior to this and it was around $15. This one is $18, and I had no luck with it at all. My CPU was overheating. It was not running the way that it was supposed to at all. And so I lived and learned, and I found out that I need to go online and buy another cheap one and hope that one works. So here we go. I give you the DarkFlash DARKVOID Top Flow CPU cooler. So this one's the same concept and everything as the other one. I have never heard of DarkFlash before. If you guys know what DarkFlash is, or if you've tried one, please drop a comment below. Let me know if you've tried it, what you think of them. Let's open this bad boy up. So here's the fan. It's got this kind of AMD style. If you've seen a lot of the AMD fans, they kind of look somewhat similar to this. So it's got that kind of look to it. We've got our DarkFlash here, and you can see all this kind of clear lining here is where the RBG is. And we have a 3-pin, so that'll plug into our PC. We've got our bracket, and we've got some other things and some thermal grease. Now, typically I would use another type of thermal grease, but because I'm out, I will be using this. So let's hope this is at least halfway decent. And yeah, so this works both on Intel, AMD. It feels pretty solid. I mean, compared to the other one that I got, this one doesn't feel as cheap. So, like I said, I don't really know anything about DarkFlash, whether that's some kind of off-brand or, you know, just something made quick in China. I really have no idea. So I just thought this would be kind of cool to mess around and see how this does compared to, you know, like big brands and, you know, high-priced fans. So, I mean, if you can get something that works just like the higher paid ones, but get them cheaper, why not, right? That's mainly what this channel's about. I just want you guys to get the best bang for your buck. And so that's what we're doing. So, you know, you guys kick back and watch, and, you know, if it doesn't work out good, you didn't waste your money and I wasted mine for you. So, but all right, guys, let's hook this thing up to our PC and see how it performs, see if it cools the CPU down, and hopefully we get some pretty cool lighting effects to go along with it. All right, guys, and now we're going to jump into voiceover mode. So I sped this video up. If you watch my other videos, I don't like to waste a whole lot of time. I know that you guys are watching this video to figure out more about this product, or you're interested in the product. So I kind of like to jump and go straight to the point. So I'm removing the Coolmaster CPU cooler that I already had installed, which I love, by the way. I just want to test out this DarkVoid CPU cooler, and this is my main computer. So whenever I show you guys something, I want you to know that I'm actually using it on something of mine too. I'm not just testing on something else and then you guys put some junk in a really good computer of yours. Here's the fan. It's all hooked up. This thing is working great. It actually got my CPU cooled to the same amount as the Coolmaster, and it looks awesome, lights up. There's some different options in there to where I can make the RBG lights kind of go around and do different things. But this thing is kicking off some pretty good air. I would highly recommend this. I mean, I paid $18 for it, and it's working phenomenal. So I would say this is the best cheap one that you can get right now. So I'll drop the link in the description. But again, that is the DarkVoid Top Flow CPU cooler. That's on eBay. And I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. If you guys got anything that you want to say about the video, or maybe some kind of like comments that you guys want to say about things that you want to see in my later videos, drop that below, guys. I'd really love to hear from you. And thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video.